Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machine. Today we're testing this beautiful old Pavoni espresso machine, and let's go ahead and test the steam. Nice strong steam. Then we're going to test the portafilter, test the shot of coffee. It's a bit on the tight side, but we prefer it tight rather than loose. And let's go ahead and pull a shot. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Look at that. It's exactly what you want from your Pavoni espresso machine. Beautiful crema, just like that. So thank you for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Thank you.